Hi guys, we're playing with slime. Now let's see the slime. This is my new one and this is my old one. Let's open it. This is pretty nice. Let's check another one. Ugh. It's pinkish, my favorite color. And let's check the blue one. This is sparklish. I like glitter. There is glitter inside. Wow, it looks like a jellyfish. Let's play with this first. This looks like a dumpster. That's so funny. Well. I want to mix that with this. I can't do that because that's wrong. Let's check the big one. This is too heavy. Ah. It is so heavy. Ugh. I can't stretch it anymore. Let me check it can stretch. Wow, it can stretch a long time. I like it. Whoa. Look at this. It looks like a heart. Oh, wait. I want to mix it. Ooh. I think my mom gonna like this. This and this and this. My mom gonna love it a lot. This is stretchy like that. Look at this. It is inside stretching. Look. I can stretch like my face. Like my gooby face. I can cover this with all pink, not with purple. Gooby. He's saying gooby. And it can stretch like this. Ah! This is falling off. But there's 3 sides. Look. And here is the big sides. And why is this not working forever? And there's my hair. Bro. Too heavy forever. This looks like a flamingo. That looks like a squirrel now. This is a tail now. Forever. Yeah. I can found this ball. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. I want to make a hole inside there, but I can't, bro. Why I can't, bro? And this is so heavy. I can put all in. Look at this. I told you it can put slime on it. And this is what are you gonna make like that? Wow. over there. Blah, blah, blah. Bro, why are you mixing colors, bro? Man, don't mix colors forever. I want to mix it, but my dad can't allow me. Let me get you. Where are you? You look like the same, bro. You look like same. Like a blue one, bro. Okay? Look at this. Here is the same blue and here is the blue. What I gonna see there if I put that over there? I can put it. No. Can I mix colors? Please. Yay! Let me mix colors. Let's put this a lot of big. Then we can mix colors. First with pink. So cutie boy. It looked like a girl or boy. Comment down below. Now with blue. This looked like a girl and this looked like a boy. I don't know why. Woo! I don't know what they're gonna make like this. I want to keep this blue. I don't know why. Wee! Woo! Look at this. Pinglish! Get out from there. You look like a big ass. Let's fit in. It counts. I love to mix these slimes. I love slimes every day. My dad always said, no playing in our home slimes. No, dear. He always say that for me. And I am putting in here. Every day here. But my dad go to outside. My mom allowed me to do that. That's why I doing it. My mom always not allowed. Look at this stretchy boy. Look at this. Ooh. 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 Yucky. I just put it in my mouth and yuck. It smells too. Look at this. It's shiny. Isn't it? Look. Last year I put glitter on it. Oh, look at this. Isn't it? It looks like a bubble. Because I'm gonna hide this in here. Who can find it first? Guess the point. Hide it, mommy. Just put it in your face and I gotta hide it, okay? Go. Why are you looking at me? Okay. Who gonna find it first? You. Do it first. You can't find it? I can't find it. But you can't see that. Don't see that. Purplish. You're gonna see that. Purplish. You almost gonna. Ow, that hurts, bro. Yeah. Wow. Oh no. You guys are seeing that, bro. You guys are seeing that. That's a little bubble. I almost gonna. I don't gonna show you it. You can't see it. Look, I'm distracting you. Ooh. 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 Look at this. Look at this wobbly boo. You can't see it, isn't it? La la la. Now I'm gonna show you the proper way. You find it. Woohoo! This is so funny. Look at that pink lace in the back. Ah, it just fell down if I show you it. Ooh, bushes. Yeah, pink and blue makes. You don't know what? Why are you seeing the camera? Mommy, why are you seeing the camera? If I mix 3 colors, it's so strong. If I see the glitters, it's making green and white for me. And white and red for me. It's locking in my cage. Police officer is locking me in a cage. Look at me. Everybody save me. That's so silly joke. You see. Now we're gonna put these. Let's put these. You don't want that?
No.
Oh, yeah. Let's put it back inside this box. This looks like a snake, pet snake. Oh, it can fit already. I don't know, it can fit already. That's inside. Wow. Stop it, stop it, stop it. It's so glittery. It looks like a Christmas tree. I have a Christmas tree in the top in the star. Okay, let's put it back now. I want to put this inside like here. I can't put it like that. We lost in the next piece. Bye bye guys. See you in next video. You can subscribe in our videos.